Good day, students. This is science class for grade 7, chapter 4, heat. In this chapter, we will learn about hot and cold objects, measuring temperature, transfer of heat, different modes of heat transfer, So now let us learn each of these in detail. We often use the words hot and cold in our day-to-day life. For example, my coffee is very hot or it is quite cold today. This water is ice cold. But how do we come to know whether something is hot or cold? When we touch, we feel something's hot and something's cold. So our sense of touch tells us whether a thing is hot or cold. Also, you have heard the weather news. It gives how the weather of a place is going to be on a particular day with maximum and minimum temperatures of the day. The measure of the hotness or the coldness of a body is called temperature. So what is temperature? Temperature is nothing but it is the measure of the hotness or coldness of a body. The measure of the hotness or coldness of a body is called temperature. The hotter an object is, the higher will be its temperature. So if the object is hot, that means its temperature will be higher. Temperature will be higher. And if the object is cold, the temperature will be low. Did you get this, students? Next, let us understand more about measuring temperature. In our day-to-day life, we use a ruler for measuring the length. It has scales such as centimeter and inch on it to measure the length. Similarly, there's an instrument to measure the temperature, and that instrument is called thermometer. The word thermometer is derived from the Latin word thermo, meaning heat, and meter, meaning measuring instrument. So it is the instrument used to measure the heat. That is how hot or cold is the object is. There are three scales of temperature. They are the Celsius scale, Fahrenheit scale, and Kelvin scale. These are the three different scales used to measure the temperature. Celsius scale is indicated by degree Celsius, and the Fahrenheit scale is indicated by degree Fahrenheit, and the Kelvin scale is indicated by Kelvin, that is K. So the temperature scales are defined by two fixed points. Celsius scale is the most commonly used scale for measuring the temperature, and this scale of temperature was developed by Anders Celsius. So it was developed by the person called Anders Celsius. And I told you these scales of temperature use two fixed points. So the Celsius scale of temperature uses 0 degree Celsius as the melting point of water. Melting point of water, which is a lower fixed point, and 100 degrees Celsius as the boiling point of water. Which is the upper fixed point. So this is the lower fixed point and this is the upper fixed point. Next is the Fahrenheit scale. Fahrenheit scale was developed by Gabriel Fahrenheit. It was developed by Gabriel Fahrenheit, and on this scale the melting point of water is 32 degree Fahrenheit. This is the melting point of water or the freezing point of water. Melting point of water is 32 degree Fahrenheit and the boiling point is 212 degree Fahrenheit. This is the boiling point of water. So 32 degree Fahrenheit is the lower fixed point and 212 degree Fahrenheit is the upper fixed point. Is this clear, students? Okay. Now next let us understand what is the Kelvin scale. Kelvin scale of temperature was invented by Lord Kelvin. And it is used by the scientists in the laboratories all over the world. And on this scale, the freezing point of water is 273 Kelvin and the boiling point is 373 Kelvin. So in this, the degree sign is not used in the Kelvin scale. Okay, so degree sign is not used in the Kelvin scale. It is used only in the Fahrenheit scale and the Celsius scale. Is this clear, students? Next, let us learn the different types of thermometers. There are three types of thermometers. They are clinical thermometer, laboratory thermometer and digital thermometer. Clinical thermometer. The thermometer used to measure the human body temperature. The human body temperature is called as the clinical thermometer. The clinical thermometer is made up of a long and narrow glass tube. One end of this tube is sealed and other end has a glass filled with mercury. The normal body temperature of a healthy person is 37 degrees Celsius or 98.6 degree Fahrenheit. And if a person has fever, the temperature goes up. However, it never goes above 42 degree Celsius. It will not go above 42 degrees Celsius or below 35 degree Celsius. So the range of the clinical thermometer is from 35 degrees Celsius to 42 degree Celsius. It will not go above 42 and or below 35 degree Celsius scale. This is only for the Celsius scale of temperature. And 94 degree Fahrenheit to 94 degree Fahrenheit to 108 degree Fahrenheit. This is in case of the Fahrenheit scale. Is this clear? So here the range of the clinical thermometer is from 35 degrees Celsius to 42 degrees Celsius, and the range of the clinical thermometer in case of the Fahrenheit scale is from 94 degree Fahrenheit to 108 degree Fahrenheit. And next is the laboratory thermometer. Laboratory thermometers are used in laboratories for performing the experiments. And such thermometers can measure temperatures of hot objects such as boiling water or cold objects such as ice. Laboratory thermometers have a range from -0 degrees Celsius to 110 degrees Celsius. Next is the digital thermometer. Digital thermometers are widely used nowadays because the mercury which is used in the clinical thermometer is very toxic in nature. Digital thermometer does not contain mercury. It has a plastic body. It is easy to use and it will provide accurate readings in the form of digital display. Is this clear, students? So these are the three types of thermometers. In the next video session, let us learn about transfer of heat and the different modes of heat transfer. Thank you, students.